So, hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a monthly journal energy check in for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of March 2026. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. The overall energy for Cancer people for this month. हम क्षमा जलाना भूल गए. We have the Emperor, the Death card, the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. You guys are living on the edge of enough is enough, right? In a particular situation of your life, and you guys are in this energy of taking the charge of something in your life, something in your hands for the rest of your life. It's like being in this emperor energy and taking the charge of your life in your own hands, not allowing people, situations, or circumstances around you to hold you back, okay, to dictate you. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. There is an underlying passion, there's a burning passion, burning fire kind of energy inside of you, where you guys are very passionate about starting something in your life or restarting or doing something in your life. But for that doing something, you guys had to take some kind of uh, action, take some kind of you can say decision, and now you guys are ready to do it. So the overall energy is taking the charge of your life in your own hands and being quite excited about it, being in this energy of finally. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening in the recent past, honey, Cancer. Not your Barbie girl. I'm living in my own world. That's fantastic. Queen of Cups. You had a lot of love towards something or someone, but you were keeping it to yourself. Somehow you were like not expressing it, not saying too much about it. You were just keeping your emotions and your energies to yourself. Let's see in the current. Oh my God, what's happening, my love? Come back. Let's see. In the current situation, we have the Hanged Man. Right now, you are in the surrender mode. It's just like taking a step back before taking a huge leap forward, right? Let's see by the end of this month what we have, honey, for you guys. King of Swords in reverse. Okay, you guys are going to loosen up regarding something or someone. What is this happening? Okay. So you guys are loosening up. You guys are not going to be that much angry or that much in this energy of revenge or hatred towards something or someone. I don't know how these cards are like went in reverse. I personally took the time to make them good. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups in the recent past for you guys. Cancer. We have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. So, you guys were trying your best to go in a particular direction. Your heart was calling you, your heart was continuously leading you to go somewhere and start something with someone or start something in your life in general. But somehow you were keeping your emotions and your plans and everything to yourself, and you were in this energy of, I will do it, but not right now. This is not the right time. So you were very excited, you were very happy, you were having your emotions aligned in a particular direction, but something was stopping you from moving forward. So you were like, okay, before moving forward, I should like just take a step back. I should just like take a chill pill, and then I will decide what I can do about it. Currently we have the Hanged Man. Let's clarify this. We have the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Wands. Right now you guys are stressed out beyond words because you can't stop thinking, you can't stop overthinking about a situation that you definitely want to go ahead with. You're like there are lots of things that's blocking you from moving forward. Overthinking is the main challenge and obstacle here, and then this energy of lack of action, or this energy of lack of understanding of what you should be doing and how you should be doing it. That is why right now you guys are in the stagnant mode, or delaying something deliberately, or you can say procrastinating something deliberately, because you guys are, even if you have a passion, you have a desire, you don't have a clear cut understanding of how and what should be done in a particular situation. That's why you guys are feeling like stagnant or blocked. Okay, let's clarify the King of Swords in reverse by the end of this month, March 2026. I'll try my best to do the reading again in mid of March. Let's see. We have the Nine of Wands, King of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. You know, you are not going to be that much revengeful, that much strict, or that much in this attitude of I don't give a shit by the end of this month, but your guards are going to be up. Even if you are going to get what you love, what you deserve, even if you will be able to start going in a direction where your heart is leading you to go ahead with, you guys are not going to be fully open to the idea of moving forward and jumping 100% into a situation. Even if this is something that's going to make you feel very happy, that is going to make you feel like you're on the right track, and definitely you are going to have this sense of this is what I wanted to do from a very long time. So your guards are going to be very high, your guards are going, always going to be in this energy of what if this will happen, what if that will happen. I should prepare myself for the worst case scenarios, so that even if something not that bad is going to happen, or even if something worst is going to happen, I am going to be ready to accept it. It's like as if you are preparing yourself to fail in something because you feel like I am not sure whether I'm going to succeed or not, even though there's nothing wrong happening, there's nothing wrong that is going to happen actually in a situation, but your fear and your this energy of protecting yourself at any cost from getting hurt might manifest into some kind of trouble in the coming future if you're not going to take care of it. So it's like manifestation mixed with fear. Hmm. Cool. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer. So we have the Judgment card, the Page of Wands. Sorry, the Knight of Pentacles. Oh my God, this is the biggest yawn I had. Judgment, Page of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles. You know, if you are going to mix your manifestation with fear, so even if you are excited, even if you are happy, even if you will be able to get it, you will never be able to enjoy it fully the way you should, Cancer. You guys have to release those negative, heavy, and burdensome kind of energies, the limiting belief, the trauma, or the past baggages that you're carrying with yourself regarding a particular situation in your life. Because even if you're getting it, you're not enjoying it. So, what's the use of getting it? It's directly related to your stability, money, job, finances, a lot of money, including maybe family or family kind of dynamics. So something good is happening, but you're not able to enjoy it because you're scared of what if this will happen, what if that will happen, what if this is going to go down. So until unless you guys are going to remove the what ifs from your story completely, you guys will not be able to enjoy, no matter how beautiful that thing is going to be, no matter how like meaningful something is going to be for you. Okay, so you guys have to work on this limiting belief and this fear talking to you. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, honey. One last from angel oracles, or what we call that, I don't know. Keep your eyes on the big picture, leave the details to others. See, keep your eye on the goal, keep your eyes on the prize, and leave the small details, small obstacles or challenges behind. Don't worry too much about them. Experience that leads to success, genuine concern for others. You know, you are going to be genuinely concerned for others or other people or other situations, or maybe yourself. But as long as you are going to enjoy the chapter without any kind of fears or stupidities, you are good to go. If not, nothing can help you. You guys have to help yourself, honey. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.